हाय एव्हरीवन, आणि मेजर किस्साच्या या नवीन एपिसोडमध्ये तुम्हा सर्वांचे अतिशय उद्धटपणे स्वागत आहे. आणि आज ॲक्च्युली एक स्पेशल पॉडकास्ट आहे. ॲक्च्युली 40वा एपिसोड आहे आपल्या पॉडकास्टचा. बट आज पॉडकास्ट ह्याकरता स्पेशल आहे कारण साहिलचं नवीन गाणं फायनली रिलीज झालेलं आहे. स्पॉटिफायवरती. मध्ये मध्ये बोलायची सवय त्याची गेली नाही आहे, पण त्याचं नवीन गाणं रिलीज झालेलं आहे. आणि तुम्ही ते ऐका, 1000 मून्स हे नाव आहे त्या गाण्याचं. तर बेसिकली आज आम्ही हे गाणं प्रमोट करतोय कारण आम्ही कुठल्याही रेडिओ शोवर जात नाही. सो आम्ही स्वतः आमचा गाणं प्रमोट करतोय. आणि बेसिकली जरा गाण्याचा ब्रेकडाऊन पण देणार आहे सगळ्यांना की कसं आहे गाणं, करायला किती मजा आली वगैरे वगैरे, L&L एव्हरीथिंग. सो
डिटेल्स.
हां, L&L जर म्हणजे ते आता ॲब्रिवेशन मध्येच ठीक आहे, अख्खं बोलत नाही बसत काय काय. त्याला मराठीत एक्सेट्राला L&L असं वापरतात.
बरोबर आहे.
शिवी आहे त्याला.
पण हाय एव्हरीवन, आफ्टर अ व्हेरी लॉंग टाइम आय गेस.
येस, आफ्टर करोनाच्या एपिसोड नंतर.
हो,
बाय द वे त्या एपिसोडला 200 वगैरे लोकांनी ऐकलं. म्हणजे आय वॉज लाईक व्हेरी सरप्राईज. देर आर सो मेनी डिजेनरेट्स.
नाही चांगलं आहे ना.
इट वॉज अ व्हेरी नाईस एपिसोड.
दॅट वॉज अन आय ओपनिंग एक्सपिरियन्स अँड दिस इज अनदर आय ओपनिंग एक्सपिरियन्स.
खरंय.
कारण आय डोंट थिंक ॲट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ लाईक टाइम आपण असं प्लॅन केलं होतं की माझं आय बी रिलीजिंग अ सॉन्ग ऑन स्पॉटिफाय.
नक्कीच.
और
द बिगेस्ट थॉट वी हॅड, किंवा काय म्हणू आपण, द मोस्ट एक्स्ट्रावेगंट थॉट वी हॅड इज लाईक रिलीजिंग युअर सॉन्ग ऑन यूट्यूब.
या, आणि आय थिंक वी टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस. आपण आईस्क्रीम खायला गेलो होतो अँड दॅट इज द फर्स्ट
Right.
टाइम वी टॉक्ड अबाउट. अँड आय वॉज jobless and trying to work out a business and everything. That is the first time we talked about, you know what, let's create something, let's create music and let's see how it goes down in 5 years.
Correct.
So that was the first day the idea or the inception actually happened of creating something, because we've always had that musical background.
But the thought was never making something very commercial styled or commercially, accessible. असं टाईप मध्ये काही नव्हतं आपल्या
No,
डोक्यात.
we just wanted to make
आपल्याला
something.
जस्ट गाणं बनवायचं होतं. त्याच्या आधी आपण वी वर ट्राईंग टू मेक सम कवर्स अँड ऑल. वी वर ऑल्सो, बाय द टाइम वी स्टार्टेड मेकिंग गुड म्युझिक, और बाय द टाइम वी गॉट गुड विथ इट, वी ॲक्च्युली हॅड लिसन्ड अ लॉट ऑफ म्युझिक. अँड नंतर त्याच्यात आपण ॲडिशन्स ऑफ गिटार्स आणि हे या इतर कुठल्या तरी गाण्यांवरनं इन्स्पायर होऊन हा त्याच्यातला सगळ्यात मोठा डबल
कोट्स आहे.
ती चोरी नाहीये, प्लीज. ते इन्स्पायर्ड आहे.
अरे, inspiration is going to happen because at the end of the day there are only 7 chords.
या
म्हणजे तू A, D आणि E वाजवलं तर त्याच्या मागे लाईक 1 मिलियन सॉंग्स असतील, तर हाऊ इज दॅट अ थेफ्ट? कॉर्ड प्रोग्रेशन सेम असतात.
बट ॲट दी एंड वी वर्क ब्लडी हार्ड ॲक्च्युली टू मेक अ व्हेरी गुड अँड ओरिजिनल सॉन्ग
and it
which would
is-
actually
it is-
please people.
and it is
It is by the way the release झालं, it has been listened more than 130 times now. It is being live streamed every time, so that's something I'm very happy about.
and the most important thing about it is I've always told, or I've always said, a song or anything you do has to have a meaning to it.
Right.
It has to relate to people. The biggest achievement I felt was when one of my friend texted me and she said that this song reminds her of the person she loves the most. And I'm like, that is an achievement. Like,
Right,
that is an achievement for an artist.
Yeah,
because
it is like hitting the right chord in the minds of audience, असं आपण म्हणू
Yeah,
शकतो.
and with whatever intention, like you and me both know how long we actually took to write the song.
Right.
Like initially the idea, it came to me while I was just like, normally me just dupari guitar घेऊन बसतो. I was just fooling around with a few chords and I just wanted to express my love or like what I would do to the person I was with.
Right.
So it was a very fairy tale सारखं असं खूप. And I started working onto this song and like, आणि सगळ्यात लाईक लव्हच्या जागी मी
Right.
फक्त ओ लव्ह टाकलं आणि मग ते वन स्टेप ॲट अ टाइम. So it just went on happening.
So
And
basically the thought was creating a song which would be enjoyed while driving. म्हणजे त्याचा the sound आणि ते आपण त्याला ट्रीट असं केलंय की it sounds very nice when you play it inside a car and when you're on a long drive.
it has to bring joy to your
Yeah.
face.
And it should be looped. म्हणजे that was my thought की अरे यार लोकांनी हे रिपीटवर लावलं पाहिजे. अँड द साऊंड ऑफ दिस सॉन्ग ऑर द वे द सॉन्ग हॅज टू बी अरेंज्ड ऑर द वे द सॉन्ग हॅज टू बी बिल्ट ऑन द काइंड ऑफ बेसिसवर वॉज इझी म्युझिक. इझी म्युझिक कसं आहे तुम्ही इझी म्युझिक बेसिकली कसं असतं की इझी म्युझिकमध्ये मजा अशी येते की ते सबकॉन्शियसली चालू असतं.
Right.
Even if you're doing your work, you're still that song is being played somewhere far away, but still you're listening to it and you're working, you're doing your job. Basically, you're doing your chores असं आपण म्हणू शकतो त्याला की डेली चोर्स. आणि ते सबकॉन्शियसली इतक्या वेळा ऐकलं जातं आणि मग नंतर तुम्ही ऑटोमॅटिकली इवन इफ यू डोंट नो द लिरिक्स यू स्टार्ट रिमेंबरिंग द लिरिक्स अँड यू स्टार्ट रिमेंबरिंग द ट्यून. अरे मी हे असं इथं इथं ऐकलेलं. आणि दॅट ॲक्च्युली बिल्ड्स अ प्रोग्रेशन अँड दॅट्स हाऊ अ गुड सॉंग इज मेड.
Exactly, you got to break down things. Like you got to break down things to the simplest forms, I guess.
Right. The simpler the song, the better
the better. Like one of
you get more things to work on. If you don't, if you try to clutter a song too much, like a song which is in movies, we say Hindi movie songs. Those songs are commercial songs. त्याच्यामुळे ते cluttered असतात थोडे. That's why
ते पण एका दृष्टिकोनात
सुपर्ब सॉंग्स खूप भारी असतात त्याच्यातली. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल आता गेरुआ वगैरे ऐकलं तर दिस इज अ व्हेरी कमर्शियली सक्सेसफुल ब्युटिफुल सॉंग.
एक्झॅक्टली.
गेरुआ म्हण किंवा जालिमा म्हण, दीज काइंड ऑफ सॉंग्स आय डू लिसन व्हेरी ऑफन. आणि लेड बॅक म्युझिक आपल्याला कुठं बघता येतं तर द मूवीज सच एज मोस्ट ऑफ रणबीर सिंग मूवीज हॅव अ व्हेरी लेड बॅक अँड चिल्ड.
आय थिंक कारवा, इफ यू वॉच द मूवी कारवा
ऑल्सो including there are so many films where indies have worked. म्हणजे इंडी पण नाही म्हणू शकत बट कमर्शियली खूप चांगलं म्युझिक बनवलं गेलंय.
एक्झॅक्टली.
म्हणजे आपण हे सारखं आपला तो सिनेमातली गाणी गातो रणबीर सिंग आणि रणबीर कपूर आणि हे
दीपिका.
नो दॅट ऑल्सो
प्रियंका चोप्रा.
नो कटरीना कैफ. ते आतिफ असलमनी गायलेली गाणी रे सगळी. त्या मूवीचं नाव काय?
अच्छा, that is like मिलके भी हम ना मिले.
या कॉपी स्ट्राईक एवढं नाही म्हणायचं.
नाही, अजब प्रेम की गजब कहाणी किंवा
बर्फी किंवा तमाशा हे मूवीज आपण जर पाहिले तर ह्या मूवीज मध्ये एक लेड बॅक काइंड ऑफ सॉंग्स आहेत. जॉयस आणि सगळे लॉंग राईड सॉंग्स आहेत. दॅट्स वाय दिलचाता वॉज सो फेमस. दिलचाता हे हॅड अ व्हेरी नाईस म्युझिक. द अल्बम इज सुपर्ब अँड इट वॉज व्हेरी वेल इन डिटेल्ड वर्कड आउट बिकॉज ऑफ all three brains had worked together into making something very nice. Similar thing happened with Rock On. Even though Rock On has the album is of rock genre, but still the sound is very impeccable आणि लोकांना ते म्हणजे लगेच ते अटॅच होतात. त्याच्यात सगळं कारण काय, रॉक ऑन मध्ये अख्खं जुदाई आहे कम्प्लीट. बट ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण जर पाहिलं आपल्या ह्याच्यात तमाशा वगैरे ह्या मूवीज मध्ये तर सगळं लेड बॅक आहे. इझी सॉंग्स इझी गोईंग सॉंग्स आहेत. द काइंड ऑफ सॉंग्स, द काइंड ऑफ प्लेलिस्ट यू जस्ट पुट ऑन आणि होतं यू फील गुड अँड इट इज सबकॉन्शियस. म्हणजे ते सारखं लूपमध्ये चालू राहतं आणि तुम्ही तुमच्या दिवसभराची कामं करत राहता. सबकॉन्शियसली तुम्हाला ते गाणं पाठवतं.
राईट.
सो द थॉट वॉज लाईक दॅट.
सो त्याच्यानंतर लाईक we'll just come back to our song now.
Right. No, the basic thing is की तो थॉट कसा आला आता सांग, एक्सप्लेन कर जरा डिटेल मध्ये की तो थॉट कसा डोक्यात आला.
So most of the people around me know that I'm a hopeless romantic. आणि I've always lived in a very fairy tale kind of world in my own head. Because whenever I like a person, I always imagine like तो धूमधला तो कॅरेक्टर नाही का लकीचा, म्हणजे ते बायको ती बाईक आणि ते मुलं, ते अख्खा पिक्चरायझेशन माझ्या डोक्यात होऊन जातं. इट जस्ट हॅपन्स.
दिलवर आपण की तू आपण तेरा.
एक्झॅक्टली दॅट एक्झॅक्टली हॅपन्स विथ मी. आणि त्याच्यामध्ये माय इंटरेस्ट हॅव डेव्हलप्ड ओव्हर अ टाइम अँड म्हणजे मी ब्लूज म्युझिक करता जास्त माझं अट्रॅक्शन जे म्हणतो आपण ब्लूज करता जास्त आहे. त्याच्यानंतर I found out certain sort of artists that I could relate to or who are similar in the manner that I sing. I've been playing guitar since 2008, but this is the first time I'm actually being productive about it. Karan I'm getting better as a guitarist, better as a singer songwriter. So I related myself to certain artists before starting writing. त्याच्यानंतर I started learning their creative process. Ki how do they write a song? How do they come up with an idea? Because it is very difficult, as every artist says, it's very difficult to compose all those emotions in one like 3 minutes ka song. It's very difficult.
Right.
To understand that journey started after I started listening to Prateek Kuhad, basically, because with his voice and my there is a lot of similarities. ते म्हणतो ना की आमचे स्केल्स
सिमिलॅरिटी म्हणण्यापेक्षा रिलेटेबिलिटी खूप आहे.
राईट, रिलेटेबिलिटी खूप आहे आणि आय लाईक द वे ही एक्सप्रेसेस हिज फिलिंग्स इन पर्टिक्युलर मॅनर. सो आय थॉट वाय नॉट. आणि विथ हिज इन्स्पिरेशन लाईक ही and John Mayer are the two inspiring artists like that I've had with my songwriting journey, with whatever I've started. But it was especially Prateek Kuhad. And in last year I attended his concert, right? And I had that feeling, okay, damn, that is so beautiful. Whatever is happening, people, when he sings, people go in a mode, like people
zone. मी तेच म्हणतो ना,
people
तुम्ही
go in a
zone out
zone,
होता.
like he's a feeling.
Right.
He's not an artist, he's a feeling. Like when you think of love, people are thinking Prateek. So that inspired me and I started that journey.
No, but that thing is because his songs are particularly being related to the young or current generation.
Exactly.
That's why it is becoming. Yeah, millennials or Gen X, Gen Z.
Gen X and Gen Zs.
These people are really liking his kind of music, which is actually the old form of music coming back to us in a very morphed way.
And his music, not many people know it. It's more of American folk. If he is an
American folk blues,
त्याचा तिकडे inclination जास्त आहे as an artist.
Yeah. Even country पण आहे.
Country पण आहे. आणि so one day I was like, you know what, let's
म्हणजे आपण जसं बोलत होतो की he has a very what you say inspired tone of Bob Dylan and Eric Clapton.
Exactly.
He has that. आणि त्याच्यानंतर when you're starting your singing or whether it is songwriting, you always have to relate or learn. You need to start like below, like you don't know anything, start from zero. Yeah.
त्याच्यानंतर I started, learning lyrics, how a song is written, what a feel is. And then my purpose started like, okay, if I'm writing something, it has to have meaning. Like I can't, because music is easy to make. We can make amazing music. We'll give like आपण 8-bar beats जरी दिले ना आणि त्याच्यामध्ये इलेक्ट्रिक गिटार जरी टाकली आणि लिटल पियानो टाकला तरी.
The basic thing is that the composition has to be in such a way that it would strike a chord in people's mind, and it would also give you a kind of emotion.
Exactly.
Or it would build a kind of picture in front of your eyes. असं काहीतरी पाहिजे. आणि जेव्हा ते असतं, then at that time you start getting a good result and you start connecting with people.
Exactly. आणि I think it was I don't even remember the exact date, but मी स्टुडिओत आलो होतो आणि I said, नाही तू घरी आला होतास. We were celebrating Ghazal Night. And I said, Darshan, this is a song I've been working on. That was the first time me 1000 Moons. It was not called 1000 Moons at that time.
Yeah, we'll come to that part की ते लिरिक्स आणि हे कसं झालं. म्हणजे तो जो 3 दिवसाचा आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो की म्हणजे बास्केटबॉलच्या टर्म्समध्ये म्हणलं तर ते 3 दिवस म्हणजे आपण ऑलमोस्ट फास्ट ब्रेक घेत होतो एक. इट वॉज जस्ट अ फास्ट ब्रेक. म्हणजे लेब्रॉन जेम्स डायरेक्ट रिबाउंड घेऊन पळून दुसरीकडे जाऊन डायरेक्ट स्लॅम डंक करतो, तर तो फास्ट ब्रेक होता. बट फॉर दॅट वी हॅड टू, there was a huge built up time.
There is a long, I still remember
very
in
long
lockdown,
time when
because
this was created and made.
I think our viewers should know this. Lockdown मध्ये again, he has always been like, Darshan always gives me the right suggestions at the right time. And माझ्याकडे काहीच करायला नव्हतं म्हणून मी दिवसभर गिटार घेऊन बसायचो आणि he told me, I still remember, कामाकडे लक्ष दे, आत्ता ही गोष्ट करू नको. आय स्टील रिमेंबर दॅट.
That's like I'm giving some kind of grown-up advice, but see, I
Gave you
advised
the
you
right
something
advice
what
at the
I
right
felt
time.
it was right
No,
for
that
you
at that time.
point of time.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. But after that advice, when I focused on the right things, eventually we ended up doing what
Yeah.
we love.
Mhm.
Like I currently am doing everything, and
Mhm.
everything is well balanced.
Right.
मी तेच सांगते की that advice at that given point had a lot of leverage for me.
Mhm.
Because if I wouldn't have focused on other things, Thousand Moons never would have come into
Materialized. correct.
मटेरियलाइज कधीच झालं नसतं. मी इथे तिथेच माझं डोकं हे करत बसलो असतं.
Mhm.
सो अगेन त्याचे कॉर्ड्स आणि हे मी खूप आय यूज केपो. दर्शन इज
No, I'm not skeptical about Kepo. I was like, ki-
लायर
no.
लायर.
See, then I have changed my mind, as is what I'll say. Because Kepo is useful when you start to explore different kinds of chords with different kinds of grip on a guitar. Guitar is just not like E, A, D, G, B, E. आपले गिटारचे हे आणि मग तुमच्या बेसिक कॉर्ड्स तुम्ही शिका. ए, ई. त्याच्यामुळे लोकांना एकच बार कॉर्ड आपण बेसिकली शिकवतो, जी बी ची घेतात बार कॉर्ड. अदरवाईज
लोक नाही घेत.
नाही, म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा बी ची जे ट्रेनीज असतात किंवा
Right.
बिगनर्स बी ची कॉर्ड कशी घेतात, तीच ए खाली शिफ्ट करून 2 फ्रेट आणि हे करून काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला बार देऊन हे करतो.
Right.
सो दीज आर द बेसिक थिंग्स, बट गिटार इज वे मोर वर्सिटाईल देन
आपण केपोनी
आणि द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट गिटार इज की तुम्ही त्या बेसिक कॉर्ड शिकला ना की तुम्ही बेसिक त्या कॉर्डच्या ग्रिप्स शिकता आणि त्या ग्रिप्स तुम्ही कुठे घेऊन कुठल्या टाईपचा
काहीही
साऊंड
करू
क्रिएट
शकतो
करू
आपण.
शकता, त्यावर अख्खं गिटार डिपेंडेड आहे. सी ची ग्रिप तुम्ही कितीही वेळा खाली वर सरकवून तुम्हाला खूप वेगवेगळे टोन्स आणि वेगवेगळ्या
Tonalities आणि हे
टोनॅलिटीज किंवा फीलचे तुम्हाला काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला कॉर्ड्स काढता येतात त्याच्यातनं. सो इट टोटली डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू हाऊ यू वर्क विथ द टूल यू हॅव गॉट.
एक्झॅक्टली. अँड गिटारचं एक असं एक आहे की सी ॲज आय सेड इनिशियली देर इज लाईक break down the most complex things into the simplest manners. There are only 7 chords. Music is not beyond whatever you listen to in this world is not beyond 7 as far as music goes. When I started understanding the simplicity of music, then I just started working on patterns. की एक पॅटर्न वरनं दुसरं, मग ठीक आहे, ओके हा आर्टिस्ट आता हेच, आता आय टोल्ड यू लाईक आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू नेम द आर्टिस्ट, बट he just transposes the capo over the frets.
No, but that's not something that it is like derogatory.
No, it's not derogatory.
You are talking about Pratik Kuhad. Okay, that's not bad because Pratik Kuhad likes to capo आणि ते transpose करायला आवडतं.
मला कॉपीराईट
कॉपी स्ट्राईकला तू गाणं गायला तर कॉपी स्ट्राईक.
ओके, मग जाऊ दे. सो आय विल टॉक अबाउट इट ओपनली. सो आय स्टडीड हिम, आय स्टडीड द आर्टिस्ट इन अँड आउट. त्याची एक स्पेशालिटी अशी आहे की सी देर इज अ थिंग कॉल्ड अ स्केच्ड सिस्टम इन गिटार, राईट? की आपण या शेप्स मध्ये कुठलाही कॉर्ड वाजवू शकतो. व्हॉट दॅट गाय डज इज तो फक्त बार हलवतो, बट ही इज कीपिंग हिज कॉर्ड्स द सेम.
फ्रेट
चेंज करतो, बार चेंज करतो आणि ही कीप्स द कॉर्ड
बेसिकली ट्रान्सपोज करतो तो.
हो, बट द लाईक इफ यू ट्रान्सपोज इट ऑन थर्ड फ्रेट इट टर्न्स इन टू डी.
कळालं ना, मग तेच म्हणतं ना, हेच कळलं पाहिजे की तुम्ही ट्रान्सपोजिशन काय करताय. अँड दॅट्स व्हॉट आय टोल्ड यू की तो जेव्हा गातो ना ही ओनली प्लेज टू हिज स्ट्रेंथ्स अँड दॅट्स वाय दोज सॉंग्स आर गुड.
एक्झॅक्टली.
ही प्लेज तो गिटार वगैरे सॉरी तो केपो वगैरे लावतो कारण ही नोस की ती पर्टिक्युलर ट्रान्सपोज केल्यावरती तो ज्या बारला ट्रान्सपोज करतोय ते तो गाऊ शकतोय का, तरच तो ते करतो.
आणि हे creating his own space as an artist, that's what we thought, like why not, let's give this thing a term of 5 years. आपण आईस्क्रीम खाता बोलत होतो आणि the initial idea was I just wanted 5 people to listen to the song apart from us. Like I just felt like if it's going to impact 5 people, I'm happy.
Right.
Currently it's God's grace that we are at 130 in just 2-3 days, I suppose. So that's how we started with the conception. Like
it's about putting a thought in front of a mass is what I feel ki
out in the pond,
out in the wild,
like a pebble in the pond. Like you pick a pebble and you don't know how far it's gonna drown. You just pick it up and you throw it.
So then how the concept came की तू केपो वापरत होता, इथे आपण इंटरप्ट केलं. कमिंग बॅक की तू मला केपो वापरायला आवडतो असं म्हटलं. सो नाव वी आर कमिंग टू द पार्ट वेअर Actually, the composition was meant. Composition, in the sense, the
So
chords.
I was in love with the feeling of love again.
लव्ह कॉर्ड्स ज्या असतात जनरली, म्हणजे ज्या इमोशन वाईज.
Emotion wise, no, I was in that zone. Like I was in like again in that love idea of love. Like let's do this. आणि मी आय थिंक मी ट्रान्सपोज करून 7th फ्रेटला होतो. अँड रिसेंटली आय हॅड लिसन टू खो गए हम कहा. And I was like, okay, these chords, I want to play this song. I want to learn this song. I learned that song. त्याच्यानंतर I was like, okay, let's shuffle the chords. Let's see what happens and let's transpose the guitar to my tonality. So I went a little back, like I went to the 5th fret. I was playing around, and that entire song on the first day, it just came. That I have not put a lot of thought into this particular
that
song.
entire tune, you might say ki the tune is what hit you.
Yeah, it just hit me because I was finger plucking. And I was like, okay, this is something nice. This is, this is sounding really different. And te karta like, oh love, na 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 na. Of course,
These were the initial words.
starting.
आपल्याकडे तेव्हा आपल्याकडे हेच नव्हतं. कोरस आणि प्री-कोरस पर्यंत होतं, कोरस नव्हता
आपल्याकडे.
किंवा ते जे हायलाइट वर्ड लागतो तो पण नव्हता.
आणि आय थिंक आय स्टार्टेड जस्ट विथ लव्ह. Love, I wanna hold your hand with it. That it was a very mumbo jumbo kind of thing. I sat down and let's come to Ghazal night. I guess now it's time to the Ghazal night, or no?
Yeah. Go ahead.
So we have these Ghazal nights where we listen to music and drink. And Darshan and Tai were over, and that is the first time we Darshan learned. Darshan, I have a song. I have a tune. I want you to listen. And I played it. I think he liked it the first time he heard it, because he's known me for a long time, and it was for me also something, ki okay baba, as an artist, this is something thoda varcha level चा की आता झालंय काहीतरी. And then I think you should take the wheel now. What happened? Like how did you come up with like, let's take this to the studio, let's chug it out?
No, basically the thing was ki when I heard your composition the first time, there were a little bit of changes which had to be done in order to get it on a canvas. Every time we have an idea in our head, but that necessarily doesn't mean that it's going to be the best idea and the best song.
Right.
So we need to the interpretation has to be somewhere. There has to be some mediation,
right?
And from there, then we can say ki we have to let go of these things in order to bring it into, or fit this into this
a grander picture.
No, fit them into this frame, fit the song looking at music like a picture. Then you will understand that how we want to fit that into, because the canvas, see, if your eyes can see more than what a canvas can see, but there is a limitation of capturing the picture.
Right.
So you have to capture the picture at the right moment, at the right time. Only then it's going to be good on the canvas. Or else you can just be randomly clicking pictures and then selecting one from it. Hodgepodge नको होता आपल्याला. We don't need a hodgepodge.
आणि आपण इतका hodgepodge केलाय ना आधी.
हा, पण म्हणजे कसं आहे, that is just the creative process of learning something.
Yeah.
And once you start learning, then you will understand that okay, this is going to work, this doesn't work. तर ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी त्याच्यात इन्क्लुडेड असतात.
राईट.
सो बेसिकली तू जेव्हा मला ऐकवलं, आय वॉज लाईक ओके, वॉट एव्हर यू आर डुईंग, द थॉट इज गुड, द कॉर्ड्स आर हिटिंग द राईट वे, बट द मॅनिप्युलेशन हॅज टू बी इन अ डिफरंट वे. देर हॅज टू बी अ डिफरंट वे टू गेट टू द सेम प्लेस.
राईट.
You can't use this place because this is too shabby enough to go.
It's all over the place.
It was shabby. Putting it in terms of की खड्डे असलेला रस्ता आणि प्लेन रस्ता. एका दुकानात जायचंय 2 रस्ते आहेत, म्हणजे त्याला अनेक रस्ते फुटतात. बट एक रस्ता, ज्या रस्त्यावरनं आपण चाललो होतो तो तुटका होता. सो आय ॲडवाइज यू की आपण त्या रस्त्याने जाऊ. आणि मग ते व्हर्जनमध्ये जरासं इंटरेक्शन येतं, आपण जरासं इन्साईट देतो की हां, आपण काय ऐकवलंय आणि आपण थोडं काय बदल केला पाहिजे त्याच्यात. अँड वन्स दोज चेंजेस टेक प्लेस, मग वी कॅन ब्रिंग आउट अ डिफरंट फॉर्म आणि अ व्हेरी पॅलेटेबल फॉर्म. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग इज दॅट इवन इफ वी लाईक इट, there has to be people who would like or who would share the similar taste we have.
Right.
So in order for us to give them the right dish which would suit their palate, आपण अशा प्रकारे त्या गाण्याला इंजेस्ट करायला पाहिजे होतं, so that we could at least put this song in front of people who had the similar mindset as us or
Right.
similar taste in music as us.
Exactly, the feel.
Exactly.
They had to connect.
They have to connect to it. Even if it is bad, they should know that it has something.
Exactly.
म्हणजे तो फरक कसा आहे माहितीये का, हॅव्हिंग अ कॉफी इन स्टारबक्स अँड हॅव्हिंग अ कॉफी इन प्रॉपर चायवाली की दुकान किंवा अमृतुल्यचा चहा जो असतो, की द कॉफी इज कॉफी इज कॉफी, बट जस्ट बिकॉज इट इज मेड बाय स्टारबक्स, इट्स अ वाव व्हॉट अ कॉफी. आणि अमृतुल्य मधली कॉफी इज लाईक की आम्ही ह्याचे 30 रुपये का देऊ. You're ready to
pay 300
for a coffee in Starbucks. Yeah. So the best part is to coming in the middle way.
Yeah, right.
So what we have to give is cold coffee, because cold coffee is palatable for the rich as well as the poor. Poor pay $30 for cold coffee because it is cold coffee.
Right.
And rich pay $150 for the same cold coffee. So the making cost of the cold coffee is actually $20. But a posher place would sell it for 150. A shabbier place would sell it for 30 rupees.
Right.
So we have to come on to the middle point कि yes मैं 150 का कॉफी देगा, इतना तो मेरे में कैपेबिलिटी है. You give me 30 rupees का कॉफी, I'll rebrand it to 150 का कॉफी. That's what the thought was.
Exactly.
Making it palatable for most of them. It will not be palatable for everyone. As we know, as we have seen the other day. We have friends who said that they like the song, but it's not their taste. And that is perfectly okay.
Of course.
So that is what the thing is. Ki everyone is not going to like the song. So let's make the song palatable to the most
The larger, the more we can.
Yeah, narrowing our search and bringing the pool down to the quarter is what I'm saying. Instead of taking all 4 quarters, just narrowing our search down to just 1 quarter.
Right.
One part of the quarter. And that's how we can feed them. आणि मग कसं होतं, हळूहळू आपण इतर क्वार्टर्सला इन्क्लूड करू शकतो. सो त्याच्यामध्ये थोडं रिइंटरेशन करायची गरज होती. अँड आफ्टर दॅट वेन वी डिड दॅट, देन आय गेस अगेन some few days passed, even a month passed away, I guess.
I think from the idea, from its inception to the completion of the song, we did not take more than 4 days.
That is the म्हणजे जी मेकिंग प्रोसेस
तेच सांगतो ना की it went with the flow.
And even if we are saying it's a म्हणजे काय म्हणतो आपण, डिक्लटर ठेवलंय सॉंगला, द सॉंग इज नॉट रिअली दॅट बिग कमर्शियल सॉंग, इवन दो दॅट इज द केस, स्टिल द सॉंग हॅज 50 tracks. So this is how a decluttered song will look when it has 50 tracks.
Okay.
And when we have commercial songs which are played in movies and other places, they always range from 100 to 150 to 200 tracks. So that is what I'm trying to say, that this song is very decluttered and small.
Okay.
So
but I think that's how
simple is better. Just keep that in mind. See, if you see the concept, that if you take the concept of rock music, when rock music is performed on stage, there are how many people playing how many instruments?
Generally 4 people are there.
See, so just 4 people can bring so much joy to a million people.
Right.
Why do we have to make a track which has to have 200 tracks in it in order to bring joy to people?
Yeah, like simple as simple as it. They're like
there are just 4 tracks.
And if you see the most famous musicians, like for example, we have Freddie, right? Freddie Mercury. When we see him perform, he doesn't even use an instrument. He is like,
he's a singer. He's a vocalist.
He used his strengths, like his voice.
Playing to your strengths.
And
right.
त्याच्यानंतर we've seen ki the things that we have, and when we play to our strengths, something magical happens.
Right.
Like
that's what I was trying to get to. Keep playing to your strengths and then making the song which is actually palatable to most of the people.
Right.
So even in a given point of time, even if you don't like it, you will still not say that please change the song, because it's not that bad or that unpalatable that you want to change the song. I was just hoping to make to produce a song which
Mhm.
was not skippable. I don't want people
It's
skipping
not.
the song.
And it's कसं आहे ना की when it comes to the first chord of the song, right? We always feel that, or I have always felt that within the first 30 seconds I decide a song.
Hmm.
Okay, okay, this is my song. Like, I've listened to the first 30 seconds, I'm like, thumbs up, like, whatever it is.
Hmm.
We got that in Thousand Moons. The way
Hmm.
it was initially started, like, what start we had to the song.
Hmm.
इट इज प्लेन आउट सिम्पल. म्हणजे त्याच्यात काही म्हणजे खूप असे एकोज आणि इथनं तिथनं हे नाही. इट
Right.
इज सिम्पल.
Right. Extravagance काही नाहीये त्यात.
एक्स्ट्रावॅगन्स काय नाही. स्टार्टेड विथ अ सी.
Yeah.
नाउ द थिंग इज दिस इज व्हॉट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टंट टू अस की सिम्प्लिसिटी. वॉट एव्हर वी डू, लेट्स bring joy to people.
Right. If you want people humming your tune, it has to be simple. If the tune is not simple enough, people are not going to hum the song because they'll sing, मस्त गाणं यार. The song is nice, but it's too complicated to
हा,
sing.
आणि आता आजकाल इतकं
That's what happens with Pratik Kuhat's song. They are written in such a way, it is clumsy, but I would say की कसं म्हणता येईल in putting that in words, की आपण कंट्रोल्ड केओस म्हणतो ना, इट्स दॅट काइंड ऑफ केओस इन हिज
just describing that artist, but yeah, like controlled chaos. बरोबर बोलतोस
इट्स कंट्रोल्ड केओस.
Yeah, and that just happened. Like, त्याच्यानंतर तर I think we did not release the song for over a month.
Yeah.
Like, we were just waiting for the
We were
right.
just sitting on it.
We were just sitting like, आणि
No, we made the basically when we said that, yeah, now let's do it. That's just one fine day you came. I said, chal pilot karu. And we
झालं.
made the pilot and it was like, okay. So this is what, once you record the pilot, you know ki the song needs this and these lyrics are not working. So then we just started refining our lyrics, refining the lyrics which we had.
I still remember
And
the
then
day.
that day you said की अरे माझ्याकडे फक्त एवढ्याच लाईन्स आहेत, माझ्याकडे कोरसच नाहीये त्याचा.
Chorus नाहीये, right?
So then we sat the whole day writing chorus.
We
and
were here in studio for more than 16 hours, weren't we? I guess.
No, 16 hours. Once you get inside the studio, you never know how time passes.
Yeah, like, so we were just sitting and you were blabbering anything.
Yeah,
You were
but
blabbering
the
anything.
thing is की डोळ्यासमोर एक पिक्चर ठेवणं की imagine what would we do
Mhm.
in order to be a simp. Yeah.
Like,
Simping sometimes. So simping for your
simping.
girlfriend, your wife, or whatever, the one you love.
Whoever you want to simp for, your choice.
So we were just putting forth thoughts and building those thoughts into lyrics. Meter मध्ये आणलं basically. And how you have to sing that when you finally sing it, because that was the most important part.
Oh, damn, that
की
is like very
कसं
different.
गायलं पाहिजे, then it would make sense.
Because
If you stress on a wrong word, the meaning of the song completely changes.
And personally, I am still in a learning phase. Like, after a very, very long time, I think I can sing a little, like 5% now. And I'm still learning, like, to bring it to my strengths, to bring that tonality of that entire music, because we have other components also. It has to
Right.
काय म्हणतात, it complement
And
my voice.
the surprising thing about this song is that this song has no bass guitar in it. There is no bass guitar.
And no piano
There is
as
no
well.
bass guitar. That's why the kick in this song is very pronounced.
Yeah, I think we've, how many? Like, 4 instruments, 5 instruments.
No, there are a lot of instruments which fill the gaps also. Filler instruments like
Apart from the fillers.
like the cymbal crash which comes. The
Oh.
reverse cymbal crash which just bridges you to the solo.
Yeah.
लीड सोलो. नंतर
Solo.
डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ लीड्सचे वेगवेगळे ट्रॅक्स आहेत
Yeah.
जे फिलर्स देतात, ते पण आहेत. नंतर काही सिंथ ट्रॅक्स आहेत जे फक्त गाण्याच्या एंडला ओपन होतात. बेसिकली हाफ द सॉन्ग इज एम्प्टी अँड फिलिंग द लेट पीपल फिल द स्पेसेस म्हणून आपण ती एम्प्टी ठेवली.
Emptiness.
बिकॉज डुईंग लेस इट इज आपण मिनिमलिस्ट सॉन्ग आहे खूप, असं म्हणू. द सॉन्ग इज व्हेरी मिनिमलिस्ट इन इट्स अप्रोच.
Suits my stoic philosophies.
या the stoic you became today again, na?
I am a
You
stoic.
weren't stoic yesterday.
I was just diverted a little.
I
That's
know.
all.
So anyways, the thing is की पहिली गोष्ट पॅलेटेबल बनवणं, दुसरी गोष्ट लिरिक्स पायलट गाऊन घेणं, मग रिफाईन करणं, की बेसिकली हे शब्द चांगले आहेत, पण हे शब्द लोकांपर्यंत पोचवण्यासारखे नाही आहेत. गिव्हिंग अन एक्झाम्पल इज मित्रामित्रामध्ये आपण भेंचोत बोलू शकतो, पण ते गाण्यात असलं पाहिजे का? नाही. सो दॅट्स अ व्हेरी सिम्पलिस्टिक एक्झाम्पल पुटिंग.
And you at the given, like, I personally know, I think I have known my audience and what sort of audience that I want in the future. Or असं म्हणतो ना, सेगमेंटेशन मी केलंय, एका छोटं सेगमेंटेशन माझ्या डोक्यात केलंय. These people, they have this taste in music, okay? That's new. Okay, they have no idea. Like, you and me, we have listened. Like, our generation of people have actually listened to music.
Like, we are old. Our generation of people.
No, I'm just saying the
It's
90s.
not that we are 60s.
You know, in
In
the
our 60s,
90s,
but still we are
the
the
90s kids
90s kids have gone through a huge revolution of computerized
and
music,
the music
as well
and
as
everything. So, आणि आपण कसं ना, we are very open to music. And for you and me personally, आपण इतके आर्टिस्ट ऐकले.
Basically, that's what I said the other day, that the music genres have to change according to the taste of people.
Exactly.
See, there are like finite amount of people which will listen to your kind of songs because they come from that time. But the kids in this generation are not going to listen to your
Exactly.
song unless and until they have something in it which is good.
And you know, the best part of all our creative process or whatever we are doing right now, the making a song, there are more than 15 billion songs right now.
Right.
In streaming and in records and 15 billion, right? Now, there are 130 people that are listening to our song. And we just crossed the half century of Spotify monthly listeners yesterday.
Even if the month has not even started for us.
Exactly. We just
So the
achieved.
actual will come on the 4th of February.
But we got that in 3 days. You know, that reach, internet reach, man, or the audience that are like appreciating what we've created out of sheer chaos.
Right.
And this is what we started it with, and I think we just achieved it, even not at the grandeur level, but we achieved what we set our goal for. Like, आपण ज्या गोलनी ते गाणं बनवलं होतं ना, it is already achieved, and whatever is gonna come, it's gonna be a plus.
Right.
And that's what I personally feel right now. Ki, okay, this song is done. Now, next song. आता कसं हे त्याचं काम तू पेबलला
त्या गोष्टीचं काम
झालंय, तू पेबल फेकलायस.
But the thing is, now you have one performing song.
Exactly.
That if someone says that I'm calling you for a gig, you can play one of your own songs over there. And you can tell people, see, I have played this song. If you want, you can put this into your Spotify playlist. You can like the song.
Exactly.
Or you can buy the song at iTunes.
I was so happy that day. I was working and this guy tells me, अरे Spotify वर release झालंय, आणि I'm like, Apple वर release झालंय. Like,
basically, if it gets taken up by Apple Music and iTunes, it gets immediately cataloged on every other site, every different sites. Even the exciting part was that we can see that song on Reels, Instagram Reels and TikTok. It is over there, so you can use that song.
So yeah, like, this is exciting. Like, out of nowhere in my last 3 years, I've always had that thing, TK Karin, you know. Everyone wants to be Freddie Mercury, but no one wants to work for it.
Freddie Mercury became Freddie Mercury when he had 100 songs out there.
Exactly. But I'm just that base
he
idea.
He had five songs which he can perform and make people cry over it.
Yeah, but they started.
You have just one.
The point is, whatever you do, just start. Start with one. You don't know.
And the most important thing is that underestimating yourself. Because people think that, no, I can't sing. The people think that, no, I can't play good.
And I can't write.
You can do everything.
It's learnable.
I personally feel that no one is born with this skill. You can pick that skill up anytime. You might not be good at it. the only people which are good at it are working on the higher level, but it's not hard to go to the higher level.
It's
It
consistency.
was hard, but it is not now.
It's consistency.
It
And the
was
thing
hard
is,
in the other days because
Mhm.
people had no platform to put forth their music on. That's why you were not known.
Right.
We don't have a very big radio culture. Genre wise differentiated radio culture is what I'm saying. आपल्याकडे फक्त रॉकचं किंवा फक्त इंडीचं किंवा फक्त इंडियन क्लासिकलचं रेडिओ स्टेशन नाहीये जिथे तुम्ही फक्त इंडियन क्लासिकलच म्युझिक ऐकता.
Mhm.
आपल्याकडं हॉचपॉच सगळं हिंदी म्युझिक, सिनेमा म्युझिकचं, कमर्शियल म्युझिकचं रेडिओ स्टेशन आहे. दॅट्स हाऊ म्युझिक इज परसिव्ड इन इंडिया. दॅट्स हाऊ म्युझिक गोज टू अ मिलियन पीपल इन इंडिया इज थ्रू मूवीज.
But I think
आणि आपल्याला हेच तर ब्रेक करायचंय की इंडी हेच असतो की
But personally, you and me both have experienced this in the past 3 years, I guess, 3 to 4 years. There's a paradigm shift.
there is
Like
a
between-
shift because of OTT platforms.
OTT platforms, and secondly, we could also give credit to the festivals that take place in Pune or in
Definitely.
and around Pune. These festivals are promoting our artists, our own artists, and these artists are like
They are working hard.
they are absolutely brilliant people. Like if you listen to our indie people, right, they are not less than any artist out there in
Yeah,
any world.
Definitely.
Like look at Divine. Like Kutna, like he started. If like I have listened to Divine's first video also. पण तो इतका म्हणजे स्ट्रीट व्हिडिओ आहे ना, म्हणजे त्याच्यात काहीच नाही. विल बी लाईक हे आदमी असं करणार प्रत्येक तंत्र.
बट तेच आहे ना, ते प्रोग्रेशन असतं. यू हॅव टू स्टार्ट समवेअर. तुम्हाला दरवेळेस आपल्याला भीती वाटते की नो यार, पीपल आर गोइंग टू से दिस दॅट शी हा काय व्हिडिओ आहे का, पीपल आर नॉट गोइंग टू प्रेज मी. दॅट्स व्हॉट वी आर स्केअर्ड ऑफ बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट रेकग्निशन ॲट द फर्स्ट. नो, द प्रॉब्लेम इज रेकग्निशन. We follow the people who are already famous, but they have worked hard for their fame. And what we want is that I release one song and I want to be fucking famous. That's not going to happen.
That doesn't happen, dude.
You need to have at least 50 songs on your roster, and then you can say that, yeah, I have done this music. And then you get recognized because you have 50 songs. It's bound to happen that one or the other song is
Exactly,
going to be heard
one-
by someone, and
and
you will be getting picked up.
And the thing is, I think this is more of a stoic idea. Ki you gotta do your best. At the end of the day, your success is not in your hands. Your failures are not in your hands. They are impacted by external
Right.
factors. The only internal factors you can control is your values. Basically, you
Definitely.
yourselves.
Definitely.
Even your thoughts are external. People fail
Just
to
the thing is
understand.
that you have to understand that you're not going to get successful by just one song.
And not even like 10 songs, 20 songs. Change your idea of success, basically. If you want to write a song that makes you happy, just do it.
There are so many people who had 100 songs on their roster. They never got recognized. They got tired of doing that. And one fine day, one of their song gets picked up and they are on cloud number 9. So that also happens.
That
That
does
you
happen.
give up on your dream, but unfortunately, you get praised by the algorithm
It's
gods.
like Frank Kafka.
No, it's like algorithm gods get praised. You get praised by the algorithm gods, and then you're famous. Like
See,
this
art
song.
is art in any art or literature in any form is like that only. Like if
आणि कसं आहे माहितीये का, वन्स यू गेट एक्सप्लोर्ड, तुझ्यावरती लोक PhD करतील. म्हणजे दे विल नो सो मेनी थिंग्स अबाउट यू विच यू इवन डोंट नो.
like Frank Kafka.
Whatever. Yeah, everyone.
I gave the example because today, right now, he's been studied as one of the most brilliant philosophical writers of all time.
Same thing happened with Van Gogh. Who
But-
appreciated Van Gogh when he was alive?
Nobody.
He died a depressing life.
Yeah.
And what happened after that? His
Revolution.
His husband's wife made him famous.
Brother's wife.
Brother's wife. His husband's wife. Why that came into my mouth? His brother's wife made him famous, not even his
So
brother.
like keeping things to the core. Try one person at a time. Like it's
Yeah.
not it
Don't go for a bukkake is what we are saying.
Yeah, so like bring joy to like one person, two people. Like
Now he has started imagining musical bukkake.
I'm like thanks, that image is not good. So yeah, back to the thing, like Right.
ब्रेकिंग बोल
की एक्सप्रेस युअर सेल्फ. आता आपण सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे की दिस एज ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन इज ऑलरेडी व्हेरी डिप्रेसिंग अँड पीपल आर डिप्रेस्ड लाईक फॉर नो रिझन ॲट ऑल. इवन आय वॉज डिप्रेस्ड yesterday. Like I gave up stoicism for like 8 hours. Right. So I want our viewers to do express like whatever. Like आपण काकांसोबत पण हेच बोललो होतं की आर्ट एक्सप्रेस, राईट, सिंग,
राईट, एक्सप्लोर,
एक्सपिरियन्स. आणि तुम्हाला यू डू नॉट नो लाईक वेअर इट्स गोइंग टू लीड यू. अँड यु नो रॅदर दॅन, हे खूप ऐकलं होतं. लाईक आय हॅव बीन हिअरिंग दिस सिन्स माय चाइल्डहुड. Focus on the journey and not on the destination. Focus on the journey. Today, after doing something that is important to me, my team, I realized, okay, focusing on the journey was more important always. But we always want the end. We always want the end product. That doesn't happen. You got to focus on one day at a time, one song at a time, one tune at a time, one chord at a time. Everything you break down, you just make things simpler.
Right.
And the thing is, it's not miracle, it is your consistency. And just काय होणार आहे जास्तीत जास्त, if you write a song, you record a song and you release a song, right? What's gonna happen? Life is not gonna change in a day.
Right.
But it's gonna give you a sense of yourself.
You even have to be consistent to be a bad person, माहिती आहे का?
Exactly.
You can't be good the next day.
Exactly.
That's only then you will be feared. You have to be consistently worst version than
I am turning into
you have to be consistently worst than what version you were.
That's why the other day you said this is going to last for like 2 days and then back to square one.
Yeah. That's what happens. Because once you get, it's just like camera fear. You're scared to get in front of the camera once, twice, and the third time it's just like natural. You never feel like there is a camera in front of me.
You act.
You just
these things are
just
like
get into the zone.
एक खूप छान व्हिडिओ होता at the end in the 90s. It's spoken by Steve Jobs. In that he especially tells that it's the ones who are nahi ka to the left out ones and the ones who people don't think can change the world and everything. So in that video he's trying to explain that whatever you see around us, whatever, like anything, even if it's like a pole or like even if it's music or a movie, it is, or a phone basically. Every innovation is created by people just like us.
Right.
The only thing that stops us is our own insecurities. Ki what if
आणि what people will think. हा सगळ्यात मोठा
हा
प्रॉब्लेम.
म्हणजे की काय आता काय होणार आणि ठीक आहे,
लोक काय म्हणतील ह्याचा विचार करून जर तुम्ही कधी पुढाकार घेतलाच नाही ना, इफ यू नेव्हर स्टार्ट बिकॉज you're scared about saying that what will people think, that's not going to work for you.
It never does.
That's not a good long term strategy. That's a slave strategy.
With people, I've been dealing with this.
Or personally, I feel that that's a very slave thought.
I have been dwelling in this slave thought for a couple of weeks now. I'm just telling that I'm completely off the charts for the past 4 days. But that's what, like, I'm still trying to center myself. Getting back there. Okay, so I'll center. You have to do what you have to do. Once you learn doing that, it's gonna be miracles and miracles.
Yeah. Having some kind of aim in your life works.
It
not New Year resolutions are just resolution you break the other day, next day.
And Gary Vee उस दिन वो Gary का video देखा था. He said this woman just says that inspire me in 3 words. He says you are going to die.
Yeah.
That is, we think we have time. We think we have a lot of time. We're going to save and we're going to do this and we're going to do that after, 30 and later on and all this thing. Like, but dude, there is only one destination you're heading. You got to be in the moment. Like, you got to have that thing.
Basically, after you die, you will be remembered by what deeds you have done and not what you have earned in life.
And
that's
the worst part is in the next 100 years, like in the next 100 years, everyone you know is also going to die. So you'll be eventually forgotten.
Right.
Not your deeds, nothing. So
We'll not have no monoliths or anywhere.
हा म्हणजे तुम्ही मार्कस
बस
ऑरेलियस
नसतील
तुम्ही
आपले
इतके छान
कुठेही.
असे ऑरेलियस सारखे नाही ना की एकदम गोड पुस्तक लिहिलं म्हणजे मी माझं एकदम डायरी लिहिली तर
हम्म.
6,000
अरे
years
हो,
नंतर
6,000 इयर्स नंतर पण काय झालं, त्या मधल्या 3,000 मध्ये कोणीतरी त्याचा बस्ट बनवला रे. असं पण नाही की आत्ताच्या काळात कोणीतरी बस्ट
नाही
बनवलं
नाही पण
त्याचा.
तेच सांगतो ना की हे जे झालंय की असं काहीतरी करा ना मला इन्स्पायर.
एक्झॅक्टली. सी, युअर म्युझिक विल लिव्ह as long
I
as
just
there is.
initially said when I came to the studio, I was watching a video that artist said that art art is the only thing that is against time, right? Because it is going to live.
It is going to live.
It's
It
gonna
gets
survive.
better.
It's gonna survive. And even
Time.
after you are gone, your art keeps on living. Like for example,
Exactly.
take a movie. Like we unfortunately we lost Sean Connery last year, right? Sean Connery gave us the idea of what a James Bond is, right? Today you think of Bond, everyone is like Sean Connery.
Larger than life picture.
Larger than life. वो golden.
No, I think Daniel Craig still.
नहीं,
बहुत
तू
भारी
जा
है रे.
रही.
खूप भारी है तो.
So
Even though he's the
नहीं,
new Bond.
almost got done. So yeah,
This is the last Bond.
Yeah,
movie, na, he has.
and that is the thing, like, right? Today, like even if he's gone like 100 years, even if people are gonna watch his films, like he's gonna have something. Or movies like Titanic, even if all the actors die in the next 50 years, it's always gonna be considered as a great classic. We have another movie like The Life is Wonderful, like that movie is there. All actors are dead, but still today that's a classic. So yeah.
No, it's a very classic. Your art lives.
Your art
the
lives.
thing.
The basic
Same
idea
thing
is your art
happens
lives.
with Monet, happens with what you say, Van Gogh, Monet,
Van Gogh.
whichever painter you say. Their paintings
Appreciate
live.
and learn rather than others appreciating you, learn to appreciate yourself. And it is very difficult. Believe me, it's very difficult. You gotta learn. And it's a process. It's not gonna happen in a day, a month, a year, or 2 years. But try and appreciate it.
If you want to work it up as a hobby, then you should at least give 2 hours of your day for it, or at least give your weekend for it. You will not get better at it immediately, but if you are giving your weekend to it, I think that you would get better at it in a year at least, giving just weekend for it.
Buddies, you waste time binge watching I don't know what. Okay,
Actually, that technically speaking, that's not the premise of this show, but still it is going into philosophy, because music and art in basically the whole thing is a big hodgepodge. It's a
म्हणजे
big
ते
globe,
globe याच्यात.
and
But like we are
it's
trying
intertwined to everything.
and yeah, like I think it is still in tandem with what we were trying to tell, because we are trying to explain our
Because if your vocabulary is not good, or if you have not listened to a lot of songs, it is very hard for you to write a song, because you need a poetic perspective for that.
आणि believe me,
It's
even
not like Rockstar breakup हो गया इसलिए गाना बाहर आया. It's not like that.
दिल टूट गया इसलिए.
It's not like,
You know?
see, काही अंशी असू शकतं. I am not completely denying the fact that doesn't happen. Your emotions always play a very pivotal role in what kind of writing you do.
But the emotions
The
are
percentage is very low.
no, the thing is, when you're emotional, right? When you're emotional, whether it's a heartbreak or you're in love or whatever it is like everywhere. म्हणजे त्याचे काय ना असं हे नसतं की त्याच्यात काही आयडिया नसते. इमोशन्स हॅव नो क्लॅरिटी. आणि दॅट इज वाय वी आर ट्राईंग टू कंपोज आवर सेल्स. बट when you're
Emotions are pretty honest.
आणि when you're trying to put an idea into words, it is as similar as making an innovation
like
in
looking it as a PowerPoint presentation.
but it's like आता समज I want to innovate a phone, right? So I'm looking at a problem. I want the phone more thinner, or like I'm brainstorming behind it. Songwriting is the same. You're basically brainstorming.
Songwriting is like you're searching for the right word, even if you know the right emotion, even if you know that say for example, writing egg is going to be the word in your song, but egg is not an appropriate word to explain your emotion. So how would you put that emotion in a perspective? That's what you want. You can say oval, you can say ellipse. See, there are so many words. It's not just that you can say egg. You know the emotion is egg, but you don't want to say the word egg. Then you have to rely on your vocabulary. And to have a good vocabulary, you need to be listening to something. You need to read something. You have to do so many things.
Yeah, for example, we have this line, I can always say that I'm going to love you always. Right? That's a simplistic form.
तो आपल्या मराठीत एक प्रॉवर्ब आहे ना, की प्रत्येक यशस्वी माणसाच्या मागे एक यशस्वी बाईचा हात असतो. द सेम कॉन्सेप्ट वर्क्स विथ म्युझिक. यु नो, बिहाइंड एव्हरी सक्सेसफुल सॉन्ग there are 100 successful songs we have listened to.
Exactly, and I don't want to credit anybody.
No. I'm just, that's how I can morph it.
Yeah. No, but I was saying ki we have this line in our song. We can say that, I'm going to love you always. But we are saying, I'm going to love you for 1,000 moons.
Right.
Then 1,000 moons are gone.
Even if 1,000 moons are gone, I'll still be loving you.
I'll still be loving you.
That is the concept.
So
वो अरे यार बहुत deep है यार. That's what the thing
दिल को लग गया रे.
दिल को लग गया. Like, I love you every time you can say that, but that would be a very cheesy line to put forth. That's why we said 1,000 when 1,000 moons are gone.
The only thing you can love is always pizza, bro.
Rich people.
Very.
I love vada pav.
I want to have pani puri.
No, that's what I'm saying. That, see, different people, same taste. Or
exactly.
Whatever it is. We run for that umami. आणि तो गाण्यात पण ते पाहिजे. म्हणजे ते गाण्यात ते समथिंग हिट्स यू. आणि ते एक हिटचं इमोशन असतं जे तुम्हाला मागे ओढतं. ते आपल्याला गाण्यामध्ये ते असेल तर मजा येते ऐकायला.
राईट.
आणि रडकी गाणी सारखी केलेली चांगली नाही वाटत.
करा असं नाही म्हणत, बट कसं आहे ना की आधीच इतकं
म्हणजे मी तेच म्हणतोय की तुम्ही एखादं इमोशन वेगळ्या प्रकारे पण टाकू शकता. म्हणजे तुम्ही दुखी आहात हे तुम्ही आनंदात पण सांगू शकता ना. देर आर वेज टू एक्सप्लेन. दॅट्स व्हॉट आय एम सेइंग. ऑलवेज क्राईंग, आय एम क्राईंग इनसाइड. दॅट्स वाय आय एम रायटिंग क्रँकी लिरिक्स अँड आय एम मेकिंग क्रँकी ट्यून्स अँड आय वॉन्ट एव्हरीवन हू आर सिमिलरली टू क्राय विथ मी टू बिकम अ ह्यूज क्राय और इट कैन बी आउट क्राय.
दर्द
बहुत दर्द नहीं हो सकता रे. यू हैव टू.
मैं बोल रहा है पहले ही बहुत दर्द है. कुछ तो ऐसा.
अरे मार्केट इज फिल्ड विथ दर्द. व्हाट यू थिंक अरिजित सिंग इज मेड टू सिंग? त्याला आवडतं का गायला? आय डोंट थिंक सो.
So is that Arman Malik guy.
He is not happy crying every time in front of the mic with cranky lyrics.
Sid is bhari. Sid is like positive music.
Yeah, that's what I like about Sid Sriram. It's a very positive and nice music, vibey music, like fun.
South houses.
South house. It's very nice. So basically, you have to listen to a lot of songs before you make your own song.
And you're not
because
gonna
it comes
learn.
out of some experience.
And believe me, Brian May is he's a lead guitarist for the Queen. He still practices his chords. Eric Clapton even today he's तसे chords किंवा त्याचे bars practice करतो. अरिजित सिंग आज पण रियाज करतो. A.R. रहमान इज स्टिल प्रॅक्टिसिंग एव्हरी डे.
अरे आपलं गाणं रिलीज झाल्यावर आय वॉज आस्क्ड की गाण्यात अख्खं ड्रमकिट का नाहीये, फक्त किक आणि हे आहे, किक आणि पर्कशन्स आहेत.
हो,
बिकॉज द फील ऑफ द सॉन्ग इज लाईक दॅट.
या अँड द थिंग इज एक्सप्लोर ना.
एक्झॅक्टली. सम ऑफ देम डोंट लाईक टू और कॅनॉट परसीव्ह द थॉट ऑफ अ सॉन्ग बिंग एम्प्टी in the sense that there is just a guitar and someone is singing. मग त्यांना ते फार कॅरिओकी वाटतं. बट दॅट इज जस्ट देअर टेस्ट. बट आय से की त्या गोष्टीवरती रिजिडली मी हे म्हणतो की तो गाण्याचा फील तसा आहे. त्यामुळं बिकॉज यू ऑल्सो हॅव टू टेक केअर अबाउट वॉट द फील ऑफ द सॉन्ग इज. इफ यू ओव्हर डू इट, पीपल आर नॉट गोइंग टू लाईक इट. इफ देर आर ड्रम रोल्स एव्हरीवेअर, पीपल आर नॉट गोइंग टू लाईक इट बिकॉज दे कॅन्ट रिलेट टू द लाईफ. फास्ट होऊन जातं, आपल्याला लाईफ स्लो करायचं.
द थिंग इज, व्हाय डज माय सॉन्ग और the songs we work has to be same with whatever is there in the market.
Again, that's the same reason की आपल्या गाण्यामध्ये एवढं लीड नाहीये मोठं. लीड जस्ट कम्स बिहाइंड दी एंड. एंडच्या आधी लीड येतं, त्याच्यानंतर लीड फिलर्स बरोबर गाणं एंड होतं. दॅट इज द very reason behind it.
That's the thing ना कि अपने को सेम चीज नहीं बंद करने का है.
Exactly. You have to try working out. Sometimes having space in your song actually works in your benefit.
Sometimes having new things in
कारण
your-
काय इमोशन ते इमोशन बाहेर काढायचंय ऑडियन्स मधनं म्हणून त्याच्यामध्ये खूपसं सायलन्स आहे. कारण काय त्याच्यात खूप रिदम असला ना तर ऑडियन्स रिलेट नाही करणार. हां, दॅट माइट बी की युअर टेस्ट इज लाईक दॅट, बट इट्स नॉट एव्हरी वन्स टेस्ट.
you like rock, I like blues. Simple.
इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज दॅट सिम्पल की यू लाईक रॉक, आय लाईक ब्लूज. पण काही लोकांची टेस्टच कमर्शियल असते. दे लाईक द कमर्शियल फॉर्मॅट ऑफ म्युझिक इन द सेन्स. आणि बेसिकली तुम्ही जर सारखं तेच ऐकत आला असाल तर तुम्हाला ते आवडतं. तुम्ही जेव्हा इतर फॉर्मॅट्स एक्सप्लोर करता जे अनकमर्शियल असतात, अनकमर्शियल इन द सेन्स ते कमर्शियली अवेलेबल आहेत पण ते फिल्मी नाही आहेत इंडियन पर्स्पेक्टिव्हनुसार. सो ॲट दॅट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम मग तो थोडासा त्याच्यात एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट तयार होतो की अरे आपण जे म्युझिक क्रिएट करतोय ना हे पण कमर्शियल पाहिजे. इट हॅज टू हॅव दॅट 200 or 300 ट्रॅक्स
Million.
इवन दो it is like it doesn't need that, overdoing it.
You do the good stuff and it will like the universe will reward you. तसं काहीतरी देखो तो करके तो देखो ना. Like, what is the worst thing that is going to happen? Once it's in the systems, once it's in the algos, someone is going to listen to your song.
आणि
ना.
आपलं जर सॉन्ग एम्प्टी वगैरे असतं ना तर इट वुड हॅव नॉट बीन पिक्ड अप बाय दोज व्हेरी
Big giants.
बिग कंपनीज विच आर रिफ्लेक्टिंग युअर म्युझिक. इट हॅज टू बी डन. मिक्सिंग एका वेगळ्या प्रकारे केलं. मी त्या दिवशी त्याला म्हटलं की ह्या गाण्याच्या बेसिसवरती मी आपल्या गाण्याचा मिक्स केला आहे. कारण मला असं वाटलं की ओव्हरऑल त्या गाण्याचा फील तसा आहे त्यामुळं हे अशा प्रकारे मिक्स करणं मला जरा जास्ती फेवरेबल वाटतंय. इट वॉज ऑल लिनिंग टुवर्ड्स अ पॅलेट ऑफ not 1 million people, but at least 100,000 people.
And that's fine.
Yeah, that's very fine.
I even if we have like 100,000 people who are loyal listeners ना, उनके लिए अकेले छोटा शो करेंगे अपन.
Right.
और उनमें से
लकी अलीचं काय आहे दुसरं? It's not that की
और
लकी
क्या
अली.
है 1 लाख लोग थोड़ी शो देखने आने वाले. ज्यादा से ज्यादा कितना 2,000 लोग आए. खुश रख.
अरे 5 लोग भी आए ना तो भी खुशी से सब कुछ सुनाएंगे यार.
The idea was 5 people. We are at 130 right now.
Yeah, but see, we are 130 right now, but people are scattered everywhere. So we have to think about people which are immediately in front of our eyes. So yes, if there are 5 people, we will serve you and we will if you're supporting us in that way, we will play you. We will play for you those songs which you like.
I want this song to be someone's wedding song. It is so beautiful.
Yeah,
अच्छा है.
It might be.
मेरा तो रखने वाला भाई गोवा में.
रखना भाई. I personally feel that people should make stories on it. It's not a completely that kind of song that people will make reels or something on it. It's not a dancey number. But I do feel ki if there is rainy season, if it's snowing somewhere, कारण काय नाही का आत्ता ते पापॉनचं गाणं आहे ना, दा रे रा दे रे रे रा रे रा रा दे रे रा दे रे रा रे रा रा रे रा. It is a very famous song at the moment for doing that.
I have not listened to
Vadia and all that crap. Whenever people go outing, they videograph those Himalayas and the snow-clad mountains आणि त्याच्या मागे हे गाणं. So this is a very cliched way, nahi ka? So in that way I'm saying ki like if you like the song you can make reels out of it because I love it because basically
if you're by the moon, if you see the moon, or you see sea.
It's not always the moon. It's the moon is been depicted for someone.
Yeah,
so you can be with your loved one and make the song. It's not like
I'm just giving you ideas.
And I'm not just saying that it should be your girlfriend. It's like the relation
it
of the song
is that. It can be the boyfriend
is that,
also.
But
really supportive.
We are very gender neutral. And the other thing is that we are also other things neutral. It's not like you can make the reels with your mother. It's I don't have a problem with that.
Understand the words. It's very simple.
And it has a quirky meaning if you listen it sufficiently, or if you concentrate on the lyrics, you would understand that there is a bit of sarcasm in it. There are a few sentences which would make you feel that it's very sarcastic, but it is
it is what it is.
Yeah, it is what it is. That's the thing की अप्रोच असा पाहिजे, मेकिंग अ सिम्प्लिस्टिक अप्रोच विच इज पॅलेटेबल फॉर एव्हरीवन.
राईट.
इट्स नॉट अ कमर्शियल सॉन्ग दॅट मला हे सारखं म्हणजे सांगावंसं वाटतं इकडे की it's not a commercial song.
And what if this songs change the definition of being commercial? We can have that, like, you don't know. As I said,
you never know.
You just throw the pebble in the pond and you see how it drowns, or how long it goes. You just got to
Sadie still see how it drowns. Like,
it's a pebble. It's gonna go down.
Yeah. Materials which are heavier than water. Anyways. So that's how the approach was, that's how the thought is. And यापुढेही आणखीन चांगली गाणी बनवू आणि टाकत राहू.
नहीं, अभी तो गाना ब्रो रील वाला. अभी तो रील वाला गाना है.
टिकटॉक गाणं करायचं.
अभी टिकटॉक गाना चाहिए अभी.
टिकटॉक का गाना. Yeah, we will try to do our best and bring the best kind of music back to you every time. And that's what the approach is every time. A palatable song. इन्स्टेड ऑफ कसं आहे म्हणजे वडापाव सगळ्यांनाच खायला आवडतो, तो पॅलेटेबल झालाय ना,
आणि तो त्याची पद्धती
दॅट्स व्हॉट आय एम ट्राईंग टू से की पॅलेटेबल एक छान सॉन्ग जे सगळ्या एज ग्रुप्स मधल्या लोकांना आवडेल. 14th फेब जवळ येतोय तर प्लीज यूज दॅट सॉन्ग फॉर युअर रील्स or with your loved one.
That would be beautiful.
The 14th Feb is very close. Very close is like close. It's just about a month for Valentine's Day. So if you feel like doing that, use our song as the Valentine's Day story of your 14th Feb. I don't know what. But that's what it is. And that's how I like to make songs. That's how he is capable of doing it. That's what his limit is what he'll say. No, he is far more capable. But म्हणजे basically whatever we like, we are going to put forth. And even if people say that they don't like it, we are happy. It's not म्हणजे आपण आत्ताच तेच परत सांगतो की नाही, ते सगळ्यांकरता बनवलेलं गाणं.
As Carl Sagan said,
थोड्या लोकांना आवडतं.
As Carl Sagan said, if a person disagrees with you, let him be. Because in another 100 billion galaxies, there is no one else. So let him disagree. Let him be. You don't have to be, that
Let's
person.
agree to disagree.
Let's agree to disagree.
Yeah, that's how it goes. आणि ऐका जरूर गाणं.
And like it on Spotify.
Yeah, like it on Spotify. Please put it in your playlist.
Because that is going to help
that
it
helps
reach
the song very much.
Yeah, it's going to help reach the audience that it is meant to.
Exactly. It's just Spotify has now become just like Facebook or Twitter for musicians.
You can share the song.
You can click on the heart symbol on the song. You can put it in your playlist, and that will help. That will go very, that is like something you have to like love us to do. I'm not forcing you to do. You can just listen the song and say, the song was good. We are happy with that. But if you do these extra steps, it would be very helpful for us to make good songs, get your response, and also create a different good music, bring something different in front of you.
And make people smile.
Yeah, sure. So on that note, I guess हम आपसे विदा लेते हैं. काही नाही, हसत राहा, खेळत राहा, आणि काय मी पुढचा एपिसोड असा छानसा एपिसोड घेऊन येईन. आणखीन काही कॉन्सेप्ट्स आहेत त्याच्यावर काम करतोय. आणि नवीन म्युझिक वगैरेही करायचं आहे. नवीन गाणी इन पाईपलाईन आहेत. प्रोजेक्ट्स आहेत, काही खूप वर्षोनवर्ष रखडलेली प्रोजेक्ट्स आहेत जी बाहेर काढायची. तर सगळं खूप काही गोष्टी आहेत. आता मायमते ह्या गाण्यापासून सुरुवात झाली. आता एकदा सुरुवात झाली तर हे कंटिन्यू राहील. म्हणजे आता ह्याच्यात काही चेंजेस होणार नाही, इज वॉट आय फील. आणि विथ दॅट हंबल थॉट मी असं म्हणतो की आजचा आपला एपिसोड संपलेला आहे. जेवणाची व्यवस्था केलेली आहे मागे, त्यामुळे सगळ्यांनी जाऊन जेवण वगैरे केल्याशिवाय घरी जायचं नाही. यू वॉन्ट पाणीपुरी. सो आफ्टर धिस फक ऑल थॉट, लेट्स फक ऑफ. थँक्यू. बाय बाय.
थँक्स गाईज. बाय.